Our website is the best way to find all the answers.
Using the Carolina Pick and Pull website is easy. From inventory and pricing, yard rules, location addresses, even selling a vehicle.
To check inventory, just follow 2 simple steps.
Select the location you plan to visit. Pick your make and model and then search. You will see what years we currently have in stock and even a map of the retail yard. You can also search interchangeable vehicles on the inventory page to see other vehicles that may have parts that match yours.
And if you don't find your vehicle, click the Notify Me tab at the top.
Complete the required information and you'll be the first to know when your vehicle is set into the yard because we will send you an email.
Stop by any of our 3 locations, Cape Fear Pick and Pull, Grand Strand Pick and Pull, and Sand Hills Pick and Pull, or visit our website at carolinapickandpull.com for location address, phone numbers, inventory, and price list. We're open 7 days a week at 9 a.m., except on Saturday we open at 8 a.m., with the last entrance at 4:30 every day. Remember to follow us on Facebook for daily postings.